Hello everyone, I am Dr. Karthik, retina specialist at Karthik Netralaya. 29 September of every year is the World Retina Day. This is done to spread awareness regarding certain genetic diseases of the retina. So what is the retina? Retina is a photosensitive layer in the back of the eye which is responsible for converting the light that enters into the eye into small electric impulses. These impulses are further transmitted to the brain and the brain understands the world that we are seeing. So what could be the signs of these retinal problems? So retinal problems may present as usually painless loss of vision. So this loss of vision can be diffuse or it could be localized. So when it's localized, it could be either a peripheral loss of vision. So when somebody who has a peripheral loss of vision will have a field loss of the outer retina, outer region, making it difficult for them to navigate, making it difficult for them to walk and other such activities. It can also cause a central vision loss in which a person loses his ability to read, write, recognize faces, recognize colors, which is all a part of the fine vision that we have. Some people with retinal disorders may present with a sudden onset of flashes of light, which are basically flying light sparks, which can happen even without an external stimulus. Some of them develop sudden onset of black spots being noticed in their vision, and these spots may be small, tiny or cloudy, and these spots move with the person moving their line of sight. So if a person is moving from one place, seeing from one spot to the other, the black spot follows his vision. Now, even without these signs, there are certain category of people or patients whom we advise routine periodic eye retina examination. So some of them are patients with diabetes, patients with hypertension, patients with very high minus powers, patients who have had any injury in the past to the eye. There are also certain patients who are on medications for other diseases like tuberculosis, arthritis, autoimmune disorders, certain type of cancers with medications which are usually oral or intravenous. These people also need to get their retina screened periodically to look for any toxicity or toxicity caused by these medications. Now, if somebody is diagnosed with a retinal problem, is there treatment available? Yes, there are treatments available for certain forms of retinal disorders. Now, these treatments may be in the form of medications which are given either in the form of drops or given in the form of injections directly into the eye. Apart from this, lasers are used extensively in the treatment of retinal disorders, and the current generation of vitreoretinal surgery for a lot of eye or retinal vascular disorders and retinal detachments have improved the outcome. So make sure you know what the signs of a retinal disease are and you contact the closest retinal specialist to you in case you notice any. Thank you.